Today we've got a brand new cheap brushless mini basher that I was really hoping was going to be the best I'd ever owned. But things don't exactly go to plan. Stay tuned to hear the full story. So this is a brand new 1/14 scale brushless basher from DeeRC. I have no idea if it's going to be any good. I've never heard of them until now, but today we're going to find out. Ooh! Oh, it's all coming out at once. Oh, no. I just dropped something. Look at this. Oh wow, steering trim, steering dual rate, light control, chassis lights and headlights. Ooh, instructions. USB charger, probably going to take about 14,000 years to charge your batteries, which are somewhere. It comes with two, don't need that now. Very nice looking batteries, I think they're lipos, but it's got the wire built in there, there's the charging wire, and it tells you how much charge they've got on there. Wheelie bar. Ah, look at that. Comes with a screwdriver to fit it as well. Wicked. Look at this thing though. This looks wicked. We've got metal drive shafts, metal shocks. And by the looks of it, we've got a lot of lights on it. We've got underglow. Ooh, look at that. Got a little brushless motor hiding under that. Ooh, that was close. Heat sink, brushless ESC. Ooh, and a 3-wire servo as well. That's cool. Most of the cheaper, smaller stuff come with a 5-wire one, which it's not the end of the world, but it's easy to upgrade this one if you've got the 3-wire. The shocks do feel quite nice, and that is quite key for a basher. If you're doing big jumps, you want it to land nice. I am actually very impressed. For a cheap car, so far out of the box it looks okay, but of course there's only really one way to test that. Welcome to Badlands, the perfect place I reckon to test this thing out. We've got jumps, a bit of off-road, it should be perfect for this thing to give it a true test. So I started off by giving it a little run around the track and it actually went really well. It was handling okay, but then I found the jumps. Or should I say, we found the jumps. Pringle's gonna have a go. Yay! It lives! Winner! So if I'm honest, the car was feeling a little bit underwhelming. I decided to give it to a few of the kids there to have a play on, but to be honest, their thoughts weren't that dissimilar to mine. I reckon you'll be better than us. Is it alright?
Making sure.
Here it comes! Oh, it did half a backflip. Hasn't got a lot of air control. Let's race Dave! Oh, we've been taken out. Now, don't be fooled by Austin. He is actually a very good driver. He's driven the Mojave Grom at like 50 miles an hour. He's a really good little driver, but this thing...
Oh, smashing. That was great.
Smashing.
Thank you.
It's just really hard to control, and in a minute, I'm going to show you why. Very scary. And then the car showed its first weakness.
It's like a Traxxas X-Max body after the first bang.
That didn't last very long, did it?
Have you seen it?
Oh dear.
Sorry.
I think I started it. Oh dear. The thing is, this is a car that's meant for kids. The kids are using it and it's not even withstanding it. It can't stay on its wheels. It keeps falling over. It's falling apart. Yes! Get it, Oz, get it! Oh no, I was joking, man! Oh, come on! Oh man, I hate to say it, but it's just really missing some major things that a car shouldn't be missing in 2025. I will give it that the car itself is quite durable, but the body shell's definitely not. I think it's mainly because the wing was actually attached to the body. And that's a big no-go, because when you crash, all of that pressure is going on the body, and I'm not really surprised that it's split because of the way it was designed. You know, it does feel fairly flexible. I don't think it's really massively brittle. I just think it's down to that slightly poor design. But by far the biggest problem for me is the radio gear. It's got a very slight lag, and even if, you know, it's got a millisecond lag on a radio, you notice it. The car just feels off. And I think this does suffer from that. It just feels like it's a little bit laggy on the steering, possibly on the throttle as well, or maybe it's just the way the ESC is set up. What I do know it has is an instant brake, which really throws it off in the air. You go to just tap the brakes to level it out a little bit, and it just locks up and throws itself on its roof. It's a bit alarming. You really need that progressive throttle and braking to make sure it's controlled in the air and on ground as well. You know, it was slamming on the brakes and just going mad when you ever go near them. There are some good points to it. It's nice to be seeing metal drive shafts in there on a cheap car, the metal shocks. I absolutely love all the underglow and the bumper lights and the headlights and stuff. That's wicked. But like Ollie said, they almost needed to just focus on the actual car itself a little bit more, rather than putting all their time and effort into the fancy lights. They're cool, but I'd personally rather be paying for a really decent, nicely put together car over a car with lots of lights that drives a little bit slightly terribly. To be fair, I don't like to use the word terrible because I don't think it is. I think there's some minor issues on it that do need fixing if they're going to keep on producing it. Making a design where the wing mount sort of comes out of the bumper and that's where the wing's mounted as opposed to on the body, because yeah, it just ejects. Oh, that was clever. And the other thing that's happened in the middle of filming this video is the price has actually shot up on them as well. When they first sent it out, it was £110, which is a fairly decent and reasonable price for it. You know, it's brushless, it's got a lot of metal components on there. When I first saw it, when I first unboxed it in the tree, I was really impressed. But after driving it and after seeing the price has now gone up to £140, I don't know. There's the conversion for dollars, but I'm just not sure it's worth it. Cars like the MJX Hypergo are coming in at about £85, I think, roughly. That's a 3S brushless car with oil shocks. It's got plenty of air control, the radio set up right. So yeah, I don't think it's a complete write-off. I think there's things that they can do to better it, and it's going to make it a whole bunch better. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you agree with me? Or can you see this being a car on your Christmas list this year? Either way, I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to check out one of these ones right now.